Look at these silly deer. I'm still in the she shed to be getting their corn. And they followed me over here. Yes, you did. Oh, silly. So I put them one little... Oh, they just saw me in the doorway. I put a little bit down for them. Hey, Stomper. But they so silly. They couldn't even wait for me to get and feed them. All right, let's see how this goes. Come on, get your corn. I think Miss Piggy had her baby. Hey, Mama. That's not Miss Piggy. But that's one of ours. You starving to death. Somebody around here aren't feeding y'all. All right, let's see how this goes. I'm gonna get their little bucket of corn. See, they only get one little bucket of corn. And walk where I'm supposed to feed them at. I see they follow me over there. Probably. They just been eating, because we got a storm coming Friday. So I'm used to this. All right, y'all. I see you back there. Gonna follow me where you're supposed to go? Oh, they're way back there, Sam. All right, let's go down the little hill and see if they come. They will. They always do. I usually just don't take y'all. Hey, there they are. I don't know if you can see them. Peekaboo. Yep, you know peekaboo. I don't get it. See that bucket of water I got going over there? They're drinking 2 buckets of water a day. And there's water all around here, y'all. I'm 1,000 feet from the Santa Fe. But I guess 1,000 feet is too far for them to walk. I just filled that bucket up this morning. Oh, there they are. They're going to eat that little bit I put over there. I see y'all. And who are you? And who are you? Come out so I can see you. That's Stomper. All right. I'll put it in their little bowls. Whoops. Sorry. That's where I keep my cameras covered. My friend gave me bowls to feed them in so they don't have to eat off the ground. Yes, they're spoiled, dear. And I know it's 5 o'clock. They missed their 4 o'clock feeding time, but I fed them at noon because there were so many out there. See, they're still over there. Which, that's because they ate so much over here. Now their belly's got to be getting full. Alright, walk up to the little house. My little house, there's the sycamore trees. They sure sprouted. Alright, I thought y'all could get to watch them follow me. But then again, deer being deer, I want them to do something. That's not happening. They follow me every time. Okay. Hey, old cat. Eat your food, old cat. There. LBK's hid somewhere. He comes out at dark. Whoop, there they are. Yeah, they saw me get up on the porch. See, that's Miss Pig. Miss Piggy, you and your babies, now you're going to be nice to them? You were mean yesterday. Or maybe she's got her belly full of corn. But she don't have that big old belly no more, y'all. If you could look in the other videos, her belly was big. That's her twins from last year, so at least she's not kicking at them and chasing them around the yard. Which means she's already had her allowance, but... And a little Stomper. And Shorty. Yes, you know your name. There's the other three still over there. So 6 of them's out and about. Whoop, there's another one. There's a little pieball. Hey, baby. Hey, T. Oh, he sees that. Hey, T. Yep. Hey, oh. Oh, that's T's mama. I got that one figured out. See how little she is? T's almost as big as she is. Did figure that one out. That your mama? Little T, he hangs by himself, but I tell you what, people. See, he's sneezing. He's the one that keeps sneezing. Oh, goodness. Oh, I'm going to have to watch that. He's a little fighter. If he's hungry, even though he hangs by himself, if he's hungry, that little fellow will fight for his food. And they won't fight back either. And I mean against the big deers. See, he's going to go over there all by his little lonesome and see if they left him anything. Nope, he knows they didn't leave him anything. You can't really see how wide he is because the sun's not shining. Oh, there they all go. See? Thrum, thrum, thrum. I'll save some for him. He got a little cold or something. Little T, you go over there and you get you something. Or what I do is when the rest of them leave, he always hangs out. And then I'll take him some, so... He's a sweetheart. See, he's eating grass. Maybe he's got a tummy ache. See him, see he's breathing heavy. What's the matter, T? They're pretty healthy. Hi, y'all. Okay. Everybody getting a little something, something. I'm going to let them eat and see how much I got. About another half a bucket I'll take down to Little T. Because, see, he's not there. That's not him. He done wandered. Alright, we've got some clouds, y'all, believe it or not. It's Wednesday afternoon. All on the local news, they were talking about Florida beware. We have tornado warnings, whatever. Hail the size of baseball. I see the dark clouds, but then if I go inside and look at my radar, there's not, the big storm's done gone. It just evaporated. Whatever. Yeah, I have an attitude because I'm waiting on rain. Oh, there's a little hummingbird. Let me see if I can get him. Whoop, there he is. Where'd you go, little fella? Oh, goodness. See? He's still coming up from across the street, I think. I can't see that's little T until he turns around. Nope, it's not. Alright, I squatted down and they ran. I got little like them and they ran. Alright. This is long enough. I'll keep you all updated on my storm. If it ever gets here. I'll be appreciative for just a little bit of rain. Peace out.